Hi, my name is Amber McClellan, and this is my persuasive speech for COM 231 IT1. Today I will be talking with you about harsh chemicals in our everyday routine. I will be going over three main chemicals that we as humans partake in our everyday routines. The first chemical that I'm going to talk with you about today is tocopherol acetate. This chemical is commonly found in makeups, especially pressed powders that are used on the face. Can something as small as putting face powder on in the mornings be harmful? The answer to that is indeed. Yes, the fine print ingredients contain some unsafe chemicals. Even products that are labeled organic contain unsafe chemicals. According to the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, there are some pros and some cons to the face powder, although it is considered organic. The positives to this organic wear physician's formula makeup is that it is FDA approved, and also for tocopherol acetate, it has been approved in use of some foods. Generally, it is recognized as safe and low to the human health population. The negatives to tocopherol acetate is that it can cause cancer. There are many allergies that are associated with this chemical. It is immunotoxicity, and also there's contamination concerns, and it is a human skin toxicant. And it does instigate the immune system. An alternative to using physician's formula face powder, according to the International Journal of Toxicology, you can use an all-natural mineral product, a product that contains hardly any chemicals to no chemicals at all, and this truly is all organic. One example would be ID by Bare Minerals, and that is it does have natural minerals in it. The next chemical I will talk with you about is phenylalanine, and this is found in many chewing gums and also diet sodas. Does chewing a stick of gum refresh your breath or harm your body? Well, the answer to that is, sadly, it does harm your body. It does freshen your breath, but it does harm your body. And according to the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics, it is an ingredient also known as aspartame, and phenylalanine is found in aspartame. And aspartame is found in this particular gum. All extra gums do contain this specific chemical. The positives to this chemical are small, and one major positive is that it is an essential amino acid. The negatives to this chemical is that it is a hidden danger, it is a neurotoxin, and it does excite the brain to a cellular point of death. It is associated with ADD and ADHD and emotional behavioral disorders, and also this product, this specific chemical, cancer cannot live without. An alternative to extra gum would be spray gum. Spray gum has no harsh chemicals, and it doesn't have really anything in it. It's not as flavorful as all the other gums, but it is supposed to be considered more safe. I myself probably will choose not to switch to spray gum just because I do enjoy the taste of the extra gum. The next chemical that I will speak with you about today is hydrogenated polyisobutene. Believe it or not, this expensive tube of lip gloss is actually harmful to you. The ingredients are harmful to your body. The effects are as follows, according to the International Journal of Toxicology. There are high doses orally can cause lethargy. And that just means that you could be very tired if a lot of this specific chemical is ingested into the body. It has been FDA approved and reviewed for safe use. There are no abnormal behavioral patterns, hematology, blood chemistry, urinalysis, or liver function that are associated with this specific chemical. And there is no evidence of chemical irritation. So the main thing with this specific chemical is that it can cause someone to be lethargic if it is ingested into the body of a large amount. An alternative to using the Pacific lip glosses would be that you could use Burt's Beeswax. This is an all-natural substance, and I did find that when researching and looking at the International Journal of Toxicology, that it did report that there were no harsh chemicals in the beeswax wax, or the Burt's Beeswax, and that it is a safe alternative to use when choosing a Pacific lip gloss. And as follows are my works cited. I did use the determination of toxopropyl acetate and ascorbyl tesopalminate in cosmetic formulations. And I also used the final report on the safety assessment of toxopropyl and toxopropyl acetate. And that was the International Journal of Toxicology. I also did the determination of phenylalanine in the content of foods suitable for phenylketonuria. And that was research done with the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. And I also used the diurnal variation of phenylalanine and tyrosine concentrations in adult patients. And also I used the final report of the Cosmetic Ingredient Review Expert Panel on the safety assessment of the polyisobutane and hydrogenated polyisobutane. And the last resource that I did use was the Skin Moisturizing by Hydrogenated polyisobutane. And I did use all of these citations when researching all three of these chemicals. Thank you.